For centuries, life followed the rhythm of the soil. Long before the roar of machines changed everything, this was a world of quiet endurance. For generations, the rhythm of life was set by the land. But a new force was about to change everything. The air was thick with the promise of progress. Thousands flocked to the growing industrial centers. They were driving a revolution that would change the world forever. At the turn of the century, the grand scale of industry began to reshape our world. For many, it was their very first time seeing electric light. The age of steam gave way to a new era of production. Electricity now powered the heartbeat of modern industry. At the turn of the century, the city stood on the brink of a new era. What began as a desperate gamble, they were forging the skyline of a nation. The old world was defined by hand and muscle, but a new era was arriving on four wheels, changing the landscape of human movement forever. The industrial age began to accelerate. Railways and telegraphs connected continents, creating a massive global network. We saw the wonders of industrial growth, but it came with an untold human and environmental cost.